I have 1/8 cup cashew here. I'm going to add this into a container. These cashews have to be soaked. So there are two ways of doing this. You can either soak it overnight. However, if you want this milk immediately and don't have that much time in hand, what you can do is soak these cashews in some hot water. So I'm going to be showing you the short method now. Now the amount of water I'm going to be taking is 4 times value of how much cashew I took. So basically 4 times of this cup size. So this is hot water. Now I'm going to allow this to stand for 15 minutes, after which we are going to grind these cashews. So this method can be followed only for cashews because the other nuts require longer soaking time. So it is always better to soak beforehand. However, this method is the best method to follow, especially when you're, running short on time or need some form of vegan milk immediately. This would be the best method. Alright, so it's been around 15-20 minutes. My cashews have been soaking. Now I'm just going to remove it and add it into a mixer. You can see here I've taken only the cashews. I don't have any water in the mixer. I'm going to first grind the cashews and then I'm going to start adding the water. You can see here how the cashew looks after one round of grinding. Now I'm going to slowly add in the water. Adding in half of the water. After grinding this is how it looks. So you can already see that all the cashew pieces have been broken down and it's nice and thick. Now I'm going to add in the rest of the water into this and give it a mix. This is how the cashew milk will look after the entire grinding process. Now you can adjust the consistency according to your preference. If you feel it's too thin, the next time you can use lesser water. If you feel it is too thick, you can add in more water. But generally this is the proportion. For every cup of nuts that you use, you add about 4 cups of water and you grind it. So I think this is a little too thick for my preference. So I'm just going to be adding in a little bit of water before giving it another run, and then I'll show you how it finally looks. You can see that this is how the cashew milk looks. Now this milk is perfect for having with any kind of beverage of your choice. You can have it with coffee, you can have it with tea. So I generally make my vegan coffee using this milk or using almond milk. Even if you're not a vegan, cashew milk is a great source of protein and healthy fat for the body. So you can make this and add it to your milkshakes, or you can give it for kids to drink. So it is a great source of nutrition. So do try this out. You will see a little bit of this grainy cashew texture left behind. So in case you don't mind this in your drink, you can very much add this into your drink. I do that. However, if you do, if you're someone who does mind this texture, what you can do is when you're making any of your gravies, you can just put it into your blend along with your onion or tomato mixture, and this gives a very rich texture to your gravies. So you don't have to throw this away, or you don't have to find other ways to use this up. You can just add it into your daily cooking. So this is how I repurpose this. Now in case you've allowed your nuts to soak for a longer time, this actually you wouldn't even see this much of residue left. It also somewhere depends on the type of mixer that you use. So do try out this amazing vegan cashew milk and let me know your experience in the comments below. For more such easy DIY recipes, like and subscribe to our channel, and make sure you turn on the bell notification so that you're notified every time we post a new content. Thank you so much. Until next time, bye. Take care.